Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking best bed frames on Amazon. You guys, I love this one. It's got all of those really fun mid-century modern vibes. It's the Suzanne model from ZINUS. And also, I love ZINUS. They are one of the best companies, I think, on Amazon selling beds and also mattresses. So you guys check out their mattresses if you're in the market. They do great package deals, and they offer a great service, great just company to order from. It's the bed in the box thing, so we can easily get your bed, your mattress, your whole new bedroom, all from ZINUS, easily delivered to your door, pain-free. This is a gorgeous bed, and it's made of really high quality materials. It's solid pine wood, metal base. Looks gorgeous, also gonna last a really long time and be very sturdy. It holds up to 700 pounds. And this is one of those platform bed bases, so it's got the slatted base. I think this is good for a couple different reasons. You save money on your box spring. I think it gives you a more comfortable sleep at night. Your mattress feels even better, and it's better for the life of your mattress. You're gonna have less sagging, more airflow. It's just good to upgrade if you're still using an old box spring. This is the way of the future. But I know not all of the platform beds out there, especially with those slatted bases, are created equally. Some of them can be really noisy. Some of them, the slats are too far apart. That's not the case with ZINUS. You are going to have a quiet, stable, amazing sleep with really closely spaced slats and slats that are really high quality. So there's no sagging, no noises, no shifting, nothing like that. ZINUS is just great. You can trust them, and they give you a 5-year manufacturer warranty. So you know that they're gonna stand by you and just be a great company to deal with. They also are really easy to put together. They are great about making sure that everything is clearly labeled, that assembly is very easy. Everything's gonna fit and just work and be easy. So don't worry about assembly at all. They are some of the easiest, they are the easiest company that I've worked with on Amazon as far as putting furniture together. ZINUS is gonna definitely have your back and just make it easy. So if you guys are in the market for a bed or a mattress, this is a great option. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be so glad you did.